Performance and efficiency are both prioritized thanks to the efficient 3-cylinder engine, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. The engine breathes better thanks to a turbocharger, improving both performance and economy. Top features include a split folding rear seat, front and rear reading lights, a rear window wiper, a trip computer, heated seats, heated door mirrors, lane departure warning, and air conditioning. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including dual front impact airbags, front and rear side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, OnStar, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. We are here to help you.